Hello, my dear students of grade 10. Welcome to Kavin English Learning Channel. Today we are going to study English Pupils Book, Unit 1, page number 7 and 8. That is based on reported speech. தரம் 10 மாணவர்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கின்றேன். இன்று நாங்கள் இங்கிலீஷ் பியூப்பிள்ஸ் புக்கில் யூனிட் 1 பேஜ் நம்பர் 7 and 8 பற்றி தான் நாங்கள் இன்றைக்கு படிக்க போறோம். The topic is reported speech. Reported speech பற்றி தான் நாங்கள் இன்றைக்கு என்னன்னு பார்ப்போம். So let's go to the lesson. Direct speech and indirect or reported speech. We can classify the speech into direct speech and indirect speech or reported speech. நாங்க வந்து ஸ்பீச் வந்து direct speech ன்னு சொல்லலாம், indirect or reported speech ன்னு சொல்லலாம். What is direct speech? In direct speech, we convey the message of the speaker in his own actual words without any changes to another person. Direct speech என்றே விளங்குது. டிரெக்டா நாங்க இன்னொருவருடன் நாங்கள் ஒரு விஷயத்தை சொல்றதுதான் direct speech. இதுல வந்து நாங்க எனி ஆல்டர்னேட்டிவ், அதாவது ஏதாவது மாற்று கருத்துக்களை இதுல சொல்லலாது. நாங்க நேரடியாகவே நான் கூறுற கூற்றை அப்படியே சொல்லுவதுதான் direct speech. Indirect speech or reported speech. In indirect speech, we convey the message of the speaker in our own words to another person. In indirect speech ல நடக்க போது we convey the message to the speaker. நாங்க வந்து அந்த மெசேஜை வந்து கன்வே பண்ண போறோம் அந்த ஸ்பீக்கருக்கு in our own words to another person. ஒரு ஆள் சொன்ன விஷயத்த, இப்ப உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஒரு ஆள் இருக்கிறா, அவ வந்து உங்கள்ட்ட ஒரு கதையை சொல்றா. நீங்க என்ன செய்றீங்க, அந்த கதையை கேட்டு கொண்டு போய் இன்னொரு பிள்ளைகிட்ட போய் அந்த கதையை நீங்க திருப்பி சொல்ல போறீங்க. அவ இப்படி சொன்னா என்று சொல்றதுதான் ரிப்போர்ட்டட் ஸ்பீச். Indirect speech, we convey the message of the speaker in our own words to another person. எங்கட மொழியில அவ இப்படி சொன்னாண்டு, எங்கட அவ சொன்ன விஷயத்தை சுருக்கி நாங்க இப்படி சொன்னாண்டு சொல்றதுதான் reported speech. For example, direct speech, I've lost my umbrella. Somebody told, I've lost my umbrella. நான் என்னுடைய குடையை துளைச்சு விட்டேன் ஆள் சொல்ற. ரிப்போர்ட்டட் ஸ்பீச், அத உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிருக்கார், நான் குடையை துளைச்சிட்டேன்னு சொல்றேன். அதை நீங்க போய் இன்னொரு ஆளுக்கு சொல்ல போறீங்க. He said that he had lost his umbrella. He said that he had lost his umbrella. So it is clear for you direct speech, how we can identify the direct speech and indirect speech or reported speech. Today our activity is based on reported speech, but I am giving you more and more explanation about reported speech because it is very important for GCE O-level examination. This is the basic for GCE O-level examination. தரம் 10லயே நீங்க படிச்சீங்கடா பிள்ளைகள், இது வந்து 11ஆம் ஆண்டு உங்களுடைய GCE O-level பேப்பர்ல வர போற ஒரு கட்டாய क्वेश्चनல ஒன்றுதான் reported speech. So listen carefully and study well. There are some rules in reported speech. இப்ப எங்களுக்கு நாங்க நினைச்ச மாதிரி ரிப்போர்ட் ஸ்பீச்சை நாங்க பயன்படுத்தலாம் இன் இங்கிலீஷ். அதுக்கு டென்ஸ் இருக்கு, சேஞ்சஸ் இன் டென்ஸ். எப்படி ஒரு டென்ஸை நாங்க பாவிக்கிறோம்னு சொல்லி சொன்னா அந்த டென்ஸ் இன்னொரு டென்ஸா எப்படி மாறுது என்றது வந்து எங்களோட ரிப்போர்ட் ஸ்பீச்ல முக்கியமான ரூலாக இருக்குது. இதை நீங்க கட்டாயம் பாடமாக்கி இந்த சார்ட்டை நீங்க என்ன செய்யுங்க, ஒரு கொப்பிலையோ இன்னொரு பேப்பர்லயோ எழுதி வச்சு, ஷார்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல எழுதி வச்சு எக்ஸாம்பிளோட நீங்க பாடமாக்கி வச்சீங்கன்னா யூ கேன் டூ எனி ஹார்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ். எவ்வளவு கஷ்டமான கொஸ்டின் வந்தாலும் யூ கேன் ஆன்சர் த கொஸ்டின்ஸ். லெட்ஸ் see the rules. Rules, direct speech, indirect speech. Simple present tense changes to simple past. Present tense வந்து past tense ஆ மாறும். direct speechல வந்து present ஆயிருந்தா indirectல வந்து நாங்க past ஆ கொடுக்கணும். I always drink coffee, she said. In indirect speech, she said that she always drank coffee. Drink the past tense, drank. So, present tense changes to simple past tense. Present continuous changes to past continuous. Continuous under ing form. தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு. I am reading a book, he explained. I am reading a book. He explained. He explained that he was reading a book. I am என்றது நாங்க was. He was reading a book and மாத்தி எழுதணும் past continuousல. So simple present tense and simple past tense மாறுற மாதிரி present continuous வரைக்கும் அதை நாங்க past continuousக்கு மாத்தி எழுதணும். Right. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Present perfect tense நாங்க எப்படி மாத்தணும்? Past perfect tenseக்கு மாத்தணும். She said he has finished his work. He has finished his work and சொல்லி present perfectல தாரத நாங்க she said that he had finished நாங்க past perfect tenseல மாத்தி எழுத போறோம். Has finished இங்க had finished மாத்திரதான் இதுல வேலை. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Have been, had been மாறப்போகுது. I have been to Spain. He told me. He told me that he had been to Spain. Here, have been changes to had been. So write down these rules in your exercise book. Listen carefully when I am explaining to you. Simple past tense to past perfect. Simple past changes to past perfect. Bill arrived on Saturday. He said that Bill had arrived on Saturday. Okay. Past perfect changes to past perfect. So here no changes in tense. Past perfectல வந்துன்னா past perfect இருக்கும். Tenseல வந்து ஒரு சேஞ்சும் இருக்காது. I had just turned out the light. He explained. I had just turned out the light. Past perfect tense. அதை நீங்க மாத்தி எழுத போறீங்க. He explained that he had just turned out the light. அதே விஷயம் தான் அப்படியே வர போகுது. I என்றது he மாத்தி நீங்க அப்படியே எழுத போறீங்க. Right. Past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. We were living in Paris. They told me. They told me that they have been living in Paris. Past continuous, past perfect continuous மாறுது. Future changes to present conditional. Future. I will be in Geneva on Monday, he said. The will be வந்து he said that he would be. Will be வந்து would be என்ன மாறும்? Would be in Geneva on Monday. Future continuous changes to conditional conditions. Future continuous நீங்க வந்து conditional continuousல மாத்துவீங்க. She said, I'll be using the car next Friday. She said that she would be using the car next Friday. Here you have to notice how to change the tenses to form direct speech into indirect or reported speech. என்ன பிள்ளைகள் இப்ப நீங்க direct speechல சொன்ன விஷயத்த indirect or reported அப்படி கொடுக்கறதுக்குரிய rules tenseல rules தான் நாங்க இப்ப பார்த்திருக்கிறோம். Have you all got clear idea? Okay. Note down these examples in your exercise book first. Okay, now let's see how to change in modals. Can changes into could. Can and vanda naanga could and maathuvom. He said I can drive a car. He said that he could drive a car. May changes into might. He said I may buy a computer. He said that he might buy a computer. Must changes into had to. He said, I must work hard. He said that he had to work hard. These models do not change. Would, could, might, should, ought to. Would. They said we would apply for a visa. They said that they would apply for a visa. Here no changes in would. Could. He said I could run faster. He said that he could run faster. Here also no changes. Might. John said, I might meet him. John said that he might meet him. Should. He said, I should avail the opportunity. He said, I should avail the opportunity. He said that he should avail the opportunity. Here also, no changes. He said to me, you ought to wait for him. He said to me, you ought to wait for him. He said to me that I ought to wait for him. So here, changes in modals also very important in reported speech. You have a clear examples in this video. So, write down in your exercise. Now, let's see changes of places and time. There are a lot of rules in changing direct speech into reported speech. We can't forget single word. If you write a single word wrong, the whole sentence also wrong. So, you have to clearly focus on what are the rules of changing direct speech into indirect speech or reported speech. So, let's see. Here, there. Today, that day. This morning, that morning. Yesterday, the day before. Tomorrow, the next day. Next week, the following week. Next month, the following month. Now, then. Ago, before. Thus, so. Last night, the night before. This, that. These, those. So note down these examples also in your exercise book. It is also very important. This one is I changed the past tense to make reported speech. I have only taken the portion of past tense for your easy reference because our exercise is based on past tense to simple present tense to past tense. So this is also very important. Please look and focus on the main idea. Changing to the past tense to make reported speech. Here are some of the important verb changes we use when making reported speech. Am becomes was. Am become was. John am going. John said that he was going. So am was. Is becomes was. Am also become was, is also become was. John, she is tall. John said that she was tall. So, it is also clear. Do becomes did. John, I always do my homework. John said that he always did his homework. So, do become did. Does become did. John, my mother does the cleaning. John said that his mother did the cleaning. Okay. Have becomes had. John said, John, I have your number. John said that he had my number. Have becomes had. Has become had. John, he has caught a cold. John said that he had caught a cold. Go becomes went. John, I go shopping on Sunday. John said that he went shopping on Sunday. Go become went. Will become would. John, I will call Frank. John said that he would call Frank. Can becomes could. John, I can ride a horse. John said that he could ride a horse. Want become wanted. John, I want a girlfriend. John said that he wanted a girlfriend. So, my dear students, it is clear for you. என்ன பிள்ளைகளே உங்களுக்கு இப்போ நல்லா கிளியரா விளங்கி இருக்கும். What are the rules? இப்போ உங்களுக்கு சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸுக்குள்ளேயே நான் இவ்வளவு எக்ஸாம்ல உங்களுக்காக சொல்லி தந்திருக்கேன். So, just follow my advice. Do write all the examples in your exercise book and memorize it. It will very useful for you. Okay, students, this is what we have in our school textbook, Learning Point, Reported Speech. Can you remember what Uncle Angelo said? Yes, Uncle Angelo said It looks very nice. You can report it as Uncle Angelo said that it looked very nice. So it is clear. Looks became as looked. Present tense into past tense. He is my new boss, Uncle Angelo said. You can report it as Uncle Angelo said that he was his new boss. Is become as was. Note how the simple present tense in direct speech changes into the simple past tense in reported speech. So உங்களுக்கு இப்ப சொல்லிருக்கு simple present tense வந்து அப்படி simple past tense ஆ மாத்தணும் என்றுதான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிருக்கு. But I have given you so many examples because it is a very important question in GC O-level examination. So please study the rules of reported speech. That is very important. Okay. Uncle Angelo said, I decided to shave it off. You can report it as Uncle Angelo said that he had decided to shave it off. So I decided to shave it off became as had decided. So note how the direct speech simple past tense verb changes into past perfect tense. Now let's see activity 7. This is what the questions given to you in your English pupils book. Write the following in reported speech. Nikki said, I was hungry. So you can change into reported speech as Nikki said that she had been hungry. Okay. Second one, Mother said, I am busy. Mother said that she was busy. Here am become was. Am become was. Mother said that she was busy. Rakit said, we are happy. Rakit said that they were happy. Are become were. Mr. Munawira said, the children played well. Mr. Munawira said that the children had played well. They said, we lived here for 10 years. They said that they had lived there for 10 years. We have to change we into they, lived into had lived, and here also change as there. I have mentioned you how to change the time frame and place. That is the important thing. So you have to follow the rules also. So it is clear for you, my dear children, how to change direct speech into indirect speech. So I am giving you more and more example to you to improve your knowledge in reported speech. Okay, let's see the exercise. I am giving you extra examples for you in reported speech. She said, I am busy today. She said that she was busy that day. Today become that day. Am become was. I become she. So it is clear for you how to transform the direct speech into indirect speech. She said, I am reading a book now. She said that she was reading a book then. Now become then. She said, my sister helps me a lot. She said that her sister helped her a lot. He said, I will help you. He said that he would help me. Right. Fifth one. He said, I have done my homework. He said that he had done his homework. Okay. Mother said, I have prepared the lunch. Mother said that she had prepared the lunch. Nima said, in my school time, I wrote a novel. Nimal said that in his school time, he had written a novel. Udara said, I can speak English. Udara said that he could speak English. He said, I was doing my homework. He said that he had been doing his homework. She said, I like to read books. She said that she liked to read books. Okay, my dear students. Hope you all understood about reported speech and what are the rules coming under the reported speech. So, please write down all the examples in your exercise book and study well. I will meet you with an interesting lesson soon. Bye.